Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make your Discord account online 24/7. So basically you need to go here on the render.com right here. So this is the link at the top, and you just need to log in. So as you can see, I am now here. Now is go to click this button here and go to web service just like so. And after that, next is click on next. So make sure that you pick the first option here. So once you're here, you just need to scroll down, and upon seeing this one, the public Git repository, you just need to paste this link. So copy this link and just click on continue. And now for this section, you could like name it anything you want. So like Discord 24/7, just like so, something like that. And make sure that this is set to node. For the build command, make it npm install. And for the start command here, node index.js. And for the instance side, make sure that you pick this, the free one, so that you don't need to pay for anything. Now is you just need to scroll down here, and the environment variables, just need to type a token. And for here, you just need to get your token. So copy your token and you need to paste it there. So if you have your token, you just need to paste it in here and click on create web service. So once you click on create web service, this page will pop up. So just wait for it. It may take some time. And as you can see, guys, once this is done, you should be good to go. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.